Today we're making this Cajun Grouse sandwich.
First, we'll make our seasoning mix by combining a teaspoon each of paprika, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and then a half teaspoon of black pepper in a small bowl. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of our spice mixture into a cup of buttermilk. Then we'll add the rest into a cup of flour. Then we'll take our grouse, dredge it into the buttermilk mixture, then into the flour mixture, and shake off the excess flour. Then I'm going to air fry mine at 400 degrees. It took about 10 minutes for them to reach 165, flipping halfway. Once they're done, they should be nice and golden brown, but while we're waiting, we're going to make a Cajun Mayo by combining 3/4 cup of mayo, a tablespoon of Louisiana hot sauce, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Once it's mixed, the grouse should be done and it'll look just like this, nice and crispy, so you're ready to assemble the sandwich. I like to top with lettuce, cheese, tomato, pickles, and a lot of that Cajun Mayo. Try this recipe and let us know how it tastes in the comments.